unbox. So I'm wearing these yellow house slippers. So I didn't change my nail colors yet, but then I will do that tomorrow. So today I have 2 boxes of shoes and we're gonna unbox. So first is we're gonna fit this one, and so this is the shoes and this one. I bought these shoes in Gaisanos. The brand of this one is Lola and the price is not so expensive. It's just 700 pesos. That's about, let's say, $15. And then okay, let's gonna fit this on. First this one. The fitting is good. So my size is size 36 UE size, and for Filipino size it's sometimes 35.5. Depends for the brand. So this is, guys, so let's walk with the shoes. So next is, my god, this is Terrace shoes and I love this one. So next, this is for my walking shoes, like when I go to the mall. It's the same brand but the price is different. This is about $20 and let's open it. I like the box, it's so good. This one is quite damaged. So here it is. Stilettos. So I still have the price tag here and I'm gonna, it's hard. Okay. I ruined it. That's good. This one, this is the shoes. This is the shoes, and then okay, let's gonna fit the shoes and put this aside in the corner here. And okay, for custom video you can message me, and then I'm gonna make pictures for all of my shoes so that you can pick the shoes. So I have to tie it up. So this is the shoes, guys. So beautiful. Let's see this aside. And look. Next is we're gonna fit this one. But the good thing for this is, like, for walking is very comfortable because the brand is good. I think it's Filipino brand. So this one, so we have the shoes. Oh, relaxing in my terrace, wearing these heels. I-focus the big. Okay, let's gonna model the shoes. I really love it because it's really comfortable with walking. And it's like, I can dance with it. It's so comfortable. Because there are stilettos that is quite very stiff for me, like really stiff too, like this one. And the good thing, I think, it's just because this front is thicker, so that makes it comfortable for walking. So this is the shoes that we're unboxing today. So that would be all for now, everyone, and of course we have more shoes to come for unbox, and we're gonna wear it on. And I hope you enjoy our short video today, and more driving videos to come in my channel. And of course, this shoes, I'm going to wear it also for my driving videos. I posted it to my channel. And if you want to watch a longer video, you can also join to level 3. It's 1,499 for a membership. And then, yeah, that will be all. And for some of you that who are donated some shoes, thank you so much and love you all, and more driving videos to come. See you next driving videos. Bye! So let's gonna make pictures, and next is we're gonna model we're gonna make pictures with the other one. So let's remove the shoes. Removing the shoes. Yes, this is it, guys. Okay. Let's remove, and this one we're gonna make pictures with these shoes. Okay, off.